Okay, I have one thing to add about main connectives before we work some of the exercises. There's something that can be difficult about negations and parentheses. Your brain might go to math and say you can distribute this negation. So this means A is false and B is false. It does not. It does not. Negations outside of parentheses you deal with a little bit differently. Okay? The idea is that this statement, A and B, okay, A and B is false. Now, if you take A and B by itself, and this will go for, or it'll go for the arrow, but let me just illustrate it with A and B to make the point. A and B says that both are true. Okay? This does not say that both are false. The negation does not say that both are false. Okay? It just negates this statement. It just negates that both are true. So this says one of these is false. Okay, so you just have to be careful with that, and we'll look at this with examples. But I want to highlight that on its own, so that didn't get kind of stuck in your head, because it'll lead you wrong in chapter 4 and some of the later work. Okay, A and B says both are true. This just says no, they're not. They're not both true. At least one is false, is what it's saying. It's not saying both are false. That's a different thing. Okay? There's a couple ways to represent both are false, but this is not it. Okay.